everyone, today's video was a viewer request. Lynn said how to maintain a master list, meaning tasks, that has some organization to it. I want to list everything that comes up so I don't forget it, but I might not get to it that month. GTD seems like a lot of duplication, rewriting. I completely agree that it's really annoying to have to rewrite things over and over again. It takes time. So today I'm going to show an idea for having to avoid rewriting when creating a monthly list. And I'm really excited about this because I want to incorporate it into my planning. So I'm going to start by writing the title for the monthly list, listing out the name of the month, and then drawing 3 boxes. It doesn't really matter how many boxes you draw, you just want to create different sections for the categories that you're using for that month. So for this example, I'm using renovation, organization, and home/financial categories. So the reason why this system does not involve rewriting is because I'm going to be using these multi-use labels, which are removable, and they can be transferred to multiple pages multiple times before they lose their stickiness. Because these are Avery labels, you can print anything you want out onto here. So you just go to their website and you use this template number, and you can put checklists on here. You could add routines that you use regularly. You can add borders to the outside, little planner icons, anything that you want to kind of customize these stickers. But for today's example, I'm just going to be kind of decorating them by hand to show an alternative for those who don't prefer to use a computer. And now I'm just going to brain dump the monthly tasks onto these sheets.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright.
Before you brain dump your tasks, if you don't have a good idea of what the categories are going to be, then I would recommend deciding that after you see all of your tasks.
I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side.
For this step, it may be helpful to add your tasks to this list in the order of priority.
All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
The ones that we didn't have enough space for might get used the following month. And I can just put this in under my lists tab. So let's say, for example, you want to keep these tasks on the monthly list, and then you complete them as the month progresses, but some of the tasks don't get done. Let's say that replace tile flooring doesn't get done that month. Then you can just easily move it into the next month. Another way that you can use these stickers is by transferring them to your weekly. I mentioned that you could put your top priority tasks at the top, so then I would pull organize garage and I can just place it on the day of that month that I want to work on that task. And maybe it doesn't get done this week. Then I can easily transfer it to the following week. I feel like this really opens up possibilities and reduces the amount of writing that you have to do. Like I said, you can just use your computer to print these out if you want to save time. Another thing that I'm curious about is how long does it take before these stickers lose their stickiness? So I'm going to do a test. So I'm going to take one of these stickers that hasn't been used yet, and then we can count. At this point, the edges are looking a little rough. It's still sticking really, really well. It's just I would probably want to replace this with a new sticker after 25 times just because of the bent edges from me pulling up the sticker. That is pretty cool. I feel like there are so many possibilities that you could use these stickers for, so I'm really excited about it. I hope that you enjoyed this idea for not having to rewrite something over and over again in your planner. If you want to get notified every time I post a new video, I'll leave the link for my mailing list in the description down below, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!
Every change